In hosted solutions, it's easy to add a new Prepaid Pass ExpressPass customer. First, log in using your credentials. On the left, navigate to ExpressPass, New Account. You'll be prompted to indicate which loyalty type you're working with. On my screen, none of the loyalty types have been renamed. The names of the different loyalty types can be customized in ExpressPass settings, but their functions cannot. After you select Prepaid Passes, in the next window, you'll be asked which package the customer would like to buy. These packages are set up in ExpressPass settings. After you select a package, you'll see this window, where you'll enter in your customer's information and RFID information. Media type is always RFID. The media ID is either the 5 numbers under the barcode on the Hamiton tags, or the last 5 numbers on the Express Wash RFID tags. Typically, your customers will want their accounts active immediately, so media and member statuses are usually set to active. Keep loyalty type as Prepaid Passes. Award will default to what you choose on the previous screen. Monthly price, max use period, and pass reuse inhibit time will auto-populate to what you have set up under ExpressPass settings. If you want to change any of these, you'll need to check or uncheck the boxes here. Allow upgrades and receipt mode will populate with account default, but you can change them here. Save this window and proceed to the next screen. Confirm all the information is correct, then select Checkout. In the Checkout screen, select the sign-up type. Prorated means the customer will be charged today for the remaining days left before the next bill date. You can then choose the date for the following payments by choosing the date here. Selecting full amount bills the customer for the full amount of the Express Pass today. You then need to select the same date 1 month from today's date under the drop-down here manually. This is when the automatic billing will start. The billing to begin defaults to the first of the following month. So your customer will be billed today and then the date of your choice of the following month. To make sure the customer is billed automatically, keep paid by his credit card. Select Charge Card. Enter payment information here and then select Process. Do you still need assistance with adding ExpressPass customers or anything else hosted solutions? Reach out to Hamiton Customer Service directly.